Hi, in this video we are going to install SQL Server 2019 Express Edition in Windows 11 computer. Then we are going to install SQL Server Management Studio, then create a database and two tables by script. This is my Windows 11 workgroup computer. I'll launch my Chrome browser and then type in here SQL Server 2019 Express Edition download, and then we go to this first link and then you can download. Okay, I've already downloaded to my desktop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch this SQL Server Express Edition MSI. I'm going to click on the basic, agree to the license agreement, and then I'm taking the default path and then install. Let us click connect now. Okay, you can see here that we already established a connection to the SQL Server. The next thing is we need to install SQL Server Management Studio. If you click here, it takes you to the downloads site for SQL Server Management Studio. It is nothing but a graphical user interface to manage the SQL Server database, as well as writing and executing SQL queries and scripts. Okay, I've already downloaded the SQL Server Management Studio setup file, so I'm going to double click here and install. Okay, you can change the path if you want, but I'm going to do it in the default installation path. You can see here that the SQL Server Management Studio has been installed successfully. Let us click here to close, and let us click here to close this one also. Click on yes, close. I'm going to launch my SQL Server Management Studio. Click on start, and then I'm going to click on SQL Server Management Studio, recently added. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on connect. I'm getting some certificate error. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click here on Trust Server Certificate, and then I'm going to click Connect. I'm able to connect to SQL Server successfully. Click on New Query here. Then I'm going to go to my GitHub page and then copy this code, and then go back and then paste it here. So basically what it does is it's going to create a database called inventory_db, and also it's going to create two tables. One is tbl_os, okay, another one is tbl_inv. Okay, so let us run this one. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this part and then execute. Okay, and then I'm going to remove this part, and then I'm going to run the rest of them, and then click on execute. The query has been executed successfully, and you can see here there are two tables. Okay, and the two tables have got some dummy data. Okay, and then if we go expand this one here, and then we go to database, and I need to refresh first database, and then you can see here table inventory, and then you have two tables here. Okay, tbl_inv and tbl_os. That's it. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.